Yeah, so the problems the course really solved were filling in gaps operationally. Where can you do better? What things are we missing? Who should we be talking to? What are some initiatives that we should be working on? Those are all things that are touched on through the course inadvertently through its depth of coverage in terms of topics. I thought the course was fantastic on a few different levels. So I would say two primary points. First, the content in the course was fantastic. If you're an experienced partnership professional or just a partnership professional starting out, I think the program was structured in a way that would be beneficial. Second, the networking opportunity. You can essentially consider SaaSy Sales' class as a mini MBA in partnerships. Networking opportunities were fantastic. And just hearing experience from the other members of the class was great as well. I think I would recommend this course to partnership professionals, especially those just starting out. Also, maybe even veterans, because it covers a wide swath of topics and processes that are relevant today. I think that being educated about a subject and knowing what is happening currently are two different things. And this course does a great job of mending the two.